Hi, there. We are going to check how to insert shapes that fits completely with cell in Microsoft Excel, just like we do in Google Spreadsheet. I'm using Microsoft Excel 2013 version for this purpose. Here, you can see how this image best fits a cell and takes reshape as I resize the cell. Always it fits the entire cell. For that, go to Insert tab, then select your desired image. Press Alt key on keyboard. Just drag the image in the appropriate cell. Once you have completed the shape, release key. It's enough. Now see another shape. If you have found this useful, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.